Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see another function, that is row number. This row number we can use to increase the capacity of an Excel. Let's say our table has 10 records and Excel has maximum capacity of line 5, like row number 5. So I want to chunk out our data in two parts, like serial number 1 till 5 and serial number 6 to 10. So likewise we can increase we can chunk it out our data as per our need. As we know that the Excel has maximum limit of 10,50,000 approximately. So if our data is larger than that, so we cannot paste the data in one sheet in Excel. So for that it will be helpful if we are able to chunk it out our data and save into our Excel workbook. So that's how we can today we are going to see how we can solve that problem using row number in SQL Server. So as I am executing this table, you can see that there are 10 records are present in our table, in our items target table, and I want to chunk it out in two parts. So for that I'll be using the row number. So I'll put select star row number. Row number always need over, and inside over it will be also asking for order by. Now this order by could be anything, like you can take any attributes or column names from your table, like we can take serial number in this case, and we can give the column name any alias number, like row number as RN as a short form. If I execute, you can see the row number has been assigned, but that is based upon this serial number. We can take any column, like let's say now we will take item name at this time. So I'll put item name and execute. So by default, if I don't give anything, it will take as ascending. So in this time it will come B as a first. So if I execute, so burger has first row number. If I mention it as descending, S should come first as top. If I execute this row number is based upon this item name. Now let's say you can also see that serial number also has been arranged accordingly, but let's say we don't want to give any kind of condition or based upon any column name. We want to print, or we want to get the data as how it is showing in the table. So for that we can use, instead of this item name, we can supply another select statement, select null. And if we execute this now, this is based upon our original column like original table, and this row number has been assigned, and it is not dependent to any of this column name. It is randomly generated how the original table is. Now let's see, I want to chunk it out from 5 rows and next 5 rows. So for that, if we write it as where RN between 1 and 5. Now let me run this. It will give some error. As you can see that this RN is not able to filter it out. So in order to function it out, as like if we want to make this under where condition, we can use a CTE. So CTE is nothing but common table expression, and for that we'll write it as with CTE as, and we'll supply this under parenthesis, and then we can do the select statement, select star from, and we can give this city, or we can pass this city as table CTE. So if I just execute this one, we will get our original table back. See, all the 10 records are present. Now we can filter it out between row number 1 and 5, because this RN is coming from this table, this CTE table, where we have defined the RN. If I execute now, you can get 1 till 5, and we can copy this one and paste it into our Excel. Similarly, we can give the next chunk of data 6 till 10, and if I execute, you will get the next chunk of data, and we can select, copy and paste it into the Excel. So that's it. That's how we can solve this problem of Excel limitation, where we have maximum limit of 10,50,000. We can chunk our data and paste it into different sheets. Thank you so much. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you with another new exciting video.